Number 1. ShootClip AI turns a 1-hour editing session into 6 minutes flat. It auto-cuts silence, jumps cuts, and captions in one pass. You drop raw footage, pick a style, and it assembles a rough cut with markers for every fix. The payoff: you skip 90% of the timeline grunt work. Unexpected detail: it detects on-screen text and syncs captions to it, not just audio. That alone saves you re-watching clips for spelling errors. Number 2. The AI script-to-video feature writes your narration and matches B-roll automatically. Paste a blog post or bullet points, and it generates a full sequence with stock clips and transitions. You get a 60-second draft in under 3 minutes, ready for your voiceover. The concrete gain: no more hunting through stock libraries for 20 minutes. Unexpected twist: it reads your pacing and inserts pauses for dramatic beats, so your edit feels human, not robotic. Number 3. The color grading preset engine fixes your footage with one click. It analyzes skin tones, lighting, and scene type, then applies a balanced grade that matches popular YouTube styles. You save about 15 minutes per clip compared to manual curves. The payoff: your video looks professional without touching a single slider. What nobody expects: it detects camera brand and mimics that censors natural color signature, so your Sony footage doesn't look like a phone shot. Number 4. The Speed Ramp tool creates cinematic transitions instantly. Highlight a motion moment, pick a ramp style, and it inserts the right frame interpolation automatically. It takes 10 seconds per transition versus 5 minutes of keyframing manually. The result: your action shots feel punchy with zero learning curve. Surprise detail: it calculates the exact frame where motion peaks, so your ramp hits the perfect beat every time, even if you didn't plan it. Number 5. The AI Audio Cleanup isolates voice and removes background noise in real time. It filters out fans, traffic, and hums without making your voice sound tinny. You get broadcast-quality audio from a phone recording in about 30 seconds. The payoff: no more re-recording entire takes because of a noisy room. The unexpected part: it also removes mouth clicks and breaths automatically, which most editors forget to fix until export. And number 6. The best one: the auto subtitle engine with emotion-aware styling. It transcribes your speech, then picks font size, color, and animation based on the tone of your sentence. An excited line gets bold bounce, a calm line gets subtle fade. You save 20 minutes per video over manual caption work. The real kicker: it highlights keywords based on your niche, like money or productivity, so viewers catch those hooks at a glance. This single feature makes your videos feel edited by a pro. So, which of these 6 tricks would you try first on your next edit?